Good morning, children. This is your Swarna teacher, and welcome you all for the new session. And today we are going to start our third chapter is Matter Pure. Is matter pure? And today's content, what we are discussing about the pure substance, mixtures, and types of mixtures. First one, pure substance. Pure substance. What is mean by pure? In your day-to-day language, you will be using this word pure. Some many times when you are purchasing something from the market or purchasing something from the dairy products like milk and all, you will be going for a word pure. You want to the pure milk? You want to the pure ghee? Like this. Pure means something's for the substance with no adulteration. It's said to be pure. Adulteration means unwanted substances must not be there. Then it's said to be a adulteration. That with no adulteration, if you are getting substances, that is said to be pure. But in chemistry, it is not the definition. Its definition is something different. Let us try to get what is mean by pure in chemistry. For that I am going to showing a slide. The example here, woman is there. She is churning a pot of milk. A pot with milk is there and she is churning it with churner. Then after some time, what will happen? A base like solid will be coming out from the pot, which will be calling it as cream. Is it or not? This is in your house also, in your mother will be doing this. Nowadays, who is tuning all or keeping in the mixes and all? Is it or not, children? Yes. While they are tuning this, one curd here, we will be getting a product has a cream, and that cream contain more than one component. That's why we will call as a mixture. And generally, when tuning is happening, what it will doing is the lighter components comes to the surface and the heavier particles will be settling down. And commercially, generally for separating this cream for the milk machine called as a centrifuge is used. And what is the principle behind? What is the principle it will be following is centrifugation means it will be separating the lightest particles in heavier particles. That is the main principle it will be doing. And this also used in laboratories, diagnostic laboratories will be there checking the blood reports and all blood tests and all laboratories will be there. No, there also will be using the machine called as centrifuges. They will be taken blood samples and in a small test tubes, and these they will be interesting in the machines, and when you once on the machine it will rotate, and this time of rotation test tube inside the machine, the what is process is it will separate the lighter particles from the heavier particles, and that is the way how it will eat, and that is process called centrifugation calling this. Okay, and this particular centrifugation is also used in some few machines which will be using in day-to-day life. Try to find out. I think so that particular machine will be there in all in your houses. That machine will be using principle called as centrifugation. This mixture I have told you the cream which will be getting said to be the mixture, and this mixture if you take pure, when you will be calling it as a pure. This is slide we have completed, children. What the centrifugation will be done in, how it will be done in all, what is mean by mixture. Here we have seen said to be mixture. Now what is mean by mixture? Here if I take a juice, what are the substances which will be adding for it? Water we will be adding, little bit sugar we will be adding, the fruit pulp also adding it, is it or not? All these we will be adding and we will be saying is pure, is it? That means you take any pot of this juice, that means first sip the taste will be same and the last sip also the juice taste will be same. For example, one more example I will tell you. When you are taking a gold biscuit and the sample, then wherever see the composition of the gold biscuit will be same. Here I will showing a slide gold biscuit children, and wherever you want to see the composition will be the same. It doesn't change, entire gold atoms will be there inside. Is it or not? But I will show you one more slide here. And this is also here mixture. That is also a mixture. This is also a mixture. Here some grains are there. In the differentiate shapes the grains by their in color pattern, and all the in rice is there. Children, think that rice is there, in that small mud stones will be there, or be able to separate them or not by your hands. Yes, we are able to. That is also called as mixture. Is it or not? In generally this mixture is made up of 2 or more components, and they don't combine chemically, and you will be able to separate them by physical separation or different techniques whatever learned in your 7th class. Is it or not, children? We will go one more slide showing this. See here, this is the purest form. That means wherever you see, I have shown you the gold biscuit. In that, wherever you see will be getting only the same composition of the gold. Is it or not? And this is called as a mixture, where you will be able to separate them depending upon their color or size. Here, if I say this here, or all the 4 items can separate, and the same way these are all the 4 items can separate. That's why we will be calling as mixtures, and we will be calling this as a pure substance. Did you understand, children? Which one you will be calling as a pure substance and which one you will be calling as a mixture? Yes, we will go for the definition of the mixture. Is it? It is generally made up of 2 or more components that are not chemically combined. The substance in a mixture retain their own properties and they can be physically separated, as I have told you one example of rice. We will be able to separate the mud grains from the rice before cooking. Like that, that is the simple one example, and you can go for the multiple examples also here. Okay, types of mixtures. So many types of mixtures will be there. Matter will be existing in how many forms, children? 3 forms. Is it or not? Yes, solid state, liquid state and the gaseous states. Here this mixture also can be found in all 3 states. In solid states you can find, in liquid state you can find, and in the gaseous state you can find.